Hello friends, so this is your friend Arun from Live in Germany channel. So I just want to make a very quick video on something which I heard almost an hour ago. It could be useful for most of my subscribers who are completely based in India or have to pay loans back in India. So the announcement is following. The Reserve Bank of India has made an announcement saying like it will give a 3 months moratorium for loans, term loans especially. So if you have any kind of loan that you have to pay back in India, at least for the next 3 months, there is a breathing space. So the banks can allow you to be not paying this loan, or even they can go one step further by removing the interest on these loans for this 3 months of period. So more details on how this will work and how this will implemented, I will definitely try to find out, and this will help most of us who had the mind-bugging thing of like what would happen if I'm not able to pay back my loan in this particular time of crisis, and will I be become a defaulter, and will my property or will something will happen to me in person for personal loans. So this is a very good and positive news. Please share this as much as possible with your friends. So thanks for watching this video. I'll come back again once I get more updates on this and other videos. Please do stay subscribed, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye. See you.